Let's talk about the most powerful way to use essential oils. I'm Erin, and I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist, herbalist, holistic health expert, and sound practitioner here to help you live a holistic lifestyle with ease. So, there is a mental block that a lot of people have in the West, and it is this. When I'm not feeling well, I need to take a pill to get better, right? Thing is that not all modalities are suited for the best use for internal use. And one that is definitely not is aromatherapy. So how can we use aromatherapy? Well, the first way that we can use aromatherapy is through inhalation. The second way we can use it is through dermal application on the skin. And the third, and the one that I do not advise, is internal use. I'll do another video on this, don't worry. People really underestimate the power of inhaling essential oils. And it's because it's almost invisible and it's not a pill. So let's talk about the differences. And if you like this information, give me a like, a follow, and add yourself to my mailing list. Dermal use is the use of diluted essential oils on the skin. The nice thing about dermal use is that it's enjoyable and you are using diluted, so it's safe for a lot of people, but not for everybody and not in every situation. And because the skin is sensitive, we are limited in the amount of essential oil that we could use on the skin. And people with allergies oftentimes are going to be more reactive to dermal use. Advantage of dermal use is that it's like a slow release of those essential oils into the skin over a longer period of time. Then we have internal use. I do not advise internal use really at all for any reason, unless you're working with a clinical aromatherapist. I'm not even a clinical aromatherapist. I'm a professional aromatherapist. So then let's talk about inhalation. What's cool about inhalation is that you hit so many different systems of the body. First, you hit the emotional center in the brain because your olfactory nerve has a direct connection into your emotional center, your limbic system in the brain. This shifts so many things in the body immediately. Because you're inhaling in your lungs, the essential oil also then gets into your bloodstream and therefore into every cell of your body. And very mysteriously, the essential oils also through the brain make their way into your cerebrospinal fluid. And with inhalation, we can do this in fairly high amounts for short periods of time and have it be safe for almost everyone. So more on inhalation methods in the future. Follow for more.